part of Prime Minister Modi's Bihar tour. He is scheduled to visit Patna on the 20th of May. He is scheduled for an overnight stay in Patna, and this marks his 7th visit to the state. The PM is also likely to visit the house of late Sushil Modi, is what we are learning. Mehendi Garg, my colleague, is joining us on the broadcast to give us more updates about this. Mehendi?
Well, yes, on his trip to Bihar, as we can say, Narendra Modi will be meeting and will be going to late Sushil Modi's house also, as per the sources. And he will meet and he will make sure to meet all the family members of the late veteran BJP leader and the Deputy Chief Minister from Bihar, Sushil Modi. And if we talk about Sushil Modi, then not only he was the Deputy Chief Minister from Bihar, but he also served as the Finance Minister in the government. And in his trip to Bihar, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will make sure that he meets all the family members of the late veteran and very senior BJP leader of Bharatiya Janata Party, that is Sushil Modi. Earlier in the days, we saw that after Sushil Modi's demise, all the BJP leaders and all the senior leaders have gone to his residence and made sure that they met the family members of Sushil Modi's, and this has been going on. And now Prime Minister Narendra Modi will make his visit at his residence, which is a very big news, because he was the very important member of the Bharatiya Janata Party and a very senior leader also. So on his Bihar tour, Narendra Modi will make sure that he meets all the family members of Sushil Modi. Over to you.
Mehendi, also important to understand that the relationship between Prime Minister Modi and Bihar, and of course the government there under Nitish Kumar, has also been topsy-turvy. We saw Nitish Kumar coming back to the fold, and it's up to the Prime Minister as well to see to it that the BJP gets more and more numbers as the election or all the phases conclude.
Well, yes, Bihar is a very important state as of now for the Bharatiya Janata Party, and after all the political chaos that was happening in the Bihar and with the seat sharing controversies between Nitish Kumar and Bharatiya Janata Party's Prime Minister Narendra Modi and all the big leaders, then now amid all these Lok Sabha elections, Bihar is a very important state for BJP, because with the Nara of 400 Par also, BJP is focusing on each and every constituency and each and every state. Earlier also we saw that Narendra Modi conducted a very big rally in Patna in which Nitish Kumar was standing beside him. So that was a very big message that in these elections Nitish Kumar and Prime Minister Narendra Modi are fighting the elections with the Nara of 400 Par, with the standing side by side with them. And also by Nitish Kumar entering into the NDA alliance, all the politics of Bihar has turned a bit and very much also, because this kind of a road show was for the very first time. Also, I want to tell you that in Patna, the road show that happened, it was for the very first time that any Prime Minister has holded this big mega road show in Patna. So amid all the Lok Sabha elections controversies and news, this was a very big news for a Prime Minister to go in the constituency of Patna and holding that big rally along with Nitish Kumar. And this alliance and this partnership and Nitish Kumar being in the NDA alliance is a very big deal, because right now with the Nara of 400 Par, again I will say that Narendra Modi is not at all holding back and has put his horses in the front mode, and side by side campaigning with Nitish Kumar is a very big deal for the NDA alliance and also for the Bharatiya Janata Party. Yes.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.